Hello, everyone. We're live here at Embedded World North America. It's the second year of this show coming from Nuremberg. We're at an incredible time in computing specifically with a lot of this new edge compute. Where we are today and who Premio is, we've been in the business for 37 years, and our core capability is in design, manufacturing of industrial-grade ruggedized compute. What we're starting to see, the shift away from the cloud, closer to where edge compute platforms are being made, and where we specialize in a lot of core architectures that are designed from x86, ARM, and NVIDIA Jetson as well. What we specialize in is specifically in ruggedized design and pushing the product into extremes, wide operating temperature, shock and vibration, wide power input. Fanless design as well. And this is where we are standardizing an entire portfolio of products that allow our customers to get to market extremely fast. They can take a lot of these compute architectures and move it into applications where inference detection, object detection, machine learning, physical AI is starting to take shape.
And here you're the winner. What did you win?
Yeah, so specifically, this is very exciting. We won a Best in Show award for this product here. We won a Best in Show award for our BCO-500 Rockchip. What we're starting to see is a lot of this compute power shifting to more low power ARM-based Cortex. So this specific product here uses a Rockchip RK3568J, and this allows it to be wide operating temperature. So based on the design, it can be pushed from -40 to 70°C in a fanless, ruggedized design.
And it's really good performance?
Very good performance for the application that requires not so much compute power. It keeps the power low on the TDP side as well. It's still in a ruggedized design and form factor with optimized I/O that you need for it. One unique
people
benefit.
Can use the Linux?
Linux, so in terms of the operating system, it can use Ubuntu, Debian, Android. So for more of the open source as well. But one thing I do want to focus on as well is we're also released for Embedded World North America 2025, our BCO-500 Meteor Lake. So this is on Intel's Core Ultra Series 1. And the benefit of this product and the unique value proposition of this product is that it's a semi-rugged design, but it still leverages the Intel silicon with the built-in NPU on their tile architecture. So this processor, this specific product supports both 155U and then 125U in the Core Ultra Series 1 product line. Extremely high performance, low power, ruggedized design in a semi-rugged chassis. So some of the key applications can be used for a lot of industrial automation, kiosk design, and also security and surveillance for more low-level inference.
So the reliability is good?
Yes. One key value differentiator is not only are we designing the product for super harsh environments, they are all been tested to certify under the key certifications. So everything from UL certification, FCC, CE. This BCO-500 line specifically is also designed on the UL 611010. So for industrial control cabinets and equipment, it carries that UL certification for safety.
And what do we see here?
So this is another product line of ours. We have a whole suite in our semi-rugged line. We call it our x86 semi-rugged computing machine, edge computer. So this is our BCO-1000. It uses the Intel N97 processor. It basically allows a little bit more real estate space for more optimal I/O, 4G LTE, even 5G, and a little bit more storage as well. And then when you go to the high performance line, one thing that's unique for a lot of the training and inference detection for automation and robotics is the ability to add a PCIe discrete GPU. So with the GPU, you can kind of leverage the high performance GPU for a lot of the AI acceleration that's optimized.
Nice, so you just put the GPU in there?
Correct. There's GPUs that are specifically designed with the active cooling that is required to dissipate the heat in a semi-rugged form factor.
What does BCO stand for?
Our BCO is our line of semi-rugged. So the entire BCO line fits into the industrial edge. How we define the industrial edge is still wide operating temperature, still shock and vibration certified, and then power reliable and power input.
And this one there?
And this one is our mid performance. It does not have the ability for PCIe expansion, but still it's our BCO-6000, still in a fanless, ruggedized design. It uses a socket TE processor, 35 watt. So from there, we can actually push the product into more compute performance required with optimized I/O.
And here at the booth, you're showing some. What are you showing? What do we see here?
So this is an application demo that's showing our hardware specifically. So this is our RCO-6000 RPL.
This one?
Yes. So this uses the latest in terms of an Intel socket core processor. In addition to that, our unique value proposition of this product is that this product can also support a small form factor GPU. From there, the GPU is able to showcase some of these applications. So this specific application here is showcasing pose detection. So in real time, based on what the camera sees, it's able to input into the compute as the brain, and then based on the application demo, do pose detection based on the object.
On the wall here, you talk a little bit about you see the x86, Jetson,
Correct.
IP68. Those are some of the potential markets?
Yeah, so what's unique about Premio is our slogan, built ready, or built rugged, built ready. And then a lot of our products are designed as AI computers for the edge. Again, it leverages the latest in the silicon for Intel, NVIDIA, Jetson as well. And then we've defined our product portfolio in some key buckets in the edge continuum, edge continuum specifically. So how we've kind of positioned our products are in specific core buckets. So we look at the edge market as in the industrial edge, the rugged edge, and the specialized edge. So if you would like to learn more about who Premio is and what we have in terms of our standard product offering, you should definitely visit our website or our LinkedIn. That's premioinc.com.
And there's a few more demos here at your booth. What is this talking about?
Yeah, so this, again, is showcasing an application leveraging our BCO-6000 RPL series. This specific application is showcasing the ability to run a digital twin. So in a lot of robotics training and a lot of simulation before you go into market and deployments, the value is to be able to build out the digital twin so the algorithm can learn spatially what's important first.
Nice. And over there, there's another one.
And the last thing that we're showcasing is our JCO line, our JCO series. So our JCO series leverages the latest Jetson Orin modules. So whether it's AGX Orin, NX Nano, you're able to push on a single module GPU, CPU, and memory based on a lot of the inference detection for a lot of the new robotics and autonomous machines that are coming to market.
All right, so you right here at the entrance of the embedded world, and the embedded world, your positioning in that is just growing?
Oh yeah, I think embedded computing is not something that's new. I think where the market continues to grow and where it's starting to take place is how you're taking the compute architecture and utilizing it for a lot of this new AI. And AI can be in the cloud, AI can be at the edge, but most importantly is how you design a specific compute architecture to, at a low TDP in an environment where it's often harsh to really push real-time detection, machine learning, and AI at the edge.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.